Alright, so yeah. Really annoying thing. LeapPad, you can't get replacement screens for this. Market's not there. These things are obsolete. And I think LeapPad's also really anal about that stuff. This is one of those like kid tablet things. The LeapPad Ultra. I don't have a screen for this. It was smashed up. So the LCD connector is. But if you can see there, test pads in a very convenient order. That is a CRT. And on it, I have a composite cable hooked up. This doesn't really give you a usable image. So, process of reverse engineering in it was take Mr. Capacitor, with it not being in focus, now it is, tap on each one of these with the television on. Buzz. Then wait for it to filament to warm up. What the fuck, man? There we go. So if we turn it on, you actually get an image. Well, a very shitty image. But that does say leapfrog. Now, shut up. I still need to figure out where to get the sync pulses. Because, let's turn off. Yeah. Parallel RGB. And, here's my notes. Parallel RGB. Like RGB. But parallel. That is not how you spell that. Basically, these are the said 25 pins, the 25 test pads. These carry our RG and B signals in the form of 8-bit integers, basically. So 8 lines for red, green, and blue. But LCDs also have clock, horizontal sync, and vertical sync. Much like VGA, except completely different. But not too different. So yeah. The hell am I going to get the sync?